If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the audio lag effectively. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure that all cables and connections are secure. If you're using a dock, make sure the HDMI cable is properly connected to both the dock and the TV. Loose connections can lead to audio desync. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely by holding down the power button for a few seconds and selecting power options. Choose turn off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and resolve minor glitches. Step 3. Update your system. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, then System, and select System Update. Download and install any available updates, as these can fix known issues, including audio problems. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. Navigate to System Settings, then TV Settings. Check the audio output settings and ensure they are set to the correct format for your TV. Sometimes, switching between stereo and surround sound can resolve desync issues. Step 5. Test with different games or apps. Try playing different games or using various applications to see if the audio desync persists. If the issue only occurs with specific content, it may be a problem with that game or app rather than the console itself. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue on your Nintendo Switch. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.